Hello and welcome to our channel where we review the latest products in the market. Today, we will compare two of the most popular air fryers, the Ninja AF161 and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. Make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Both the Ninja AF161 and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 offer multifunctionality by air frying, baking, roasting, and reheating. The Instant Vortex offers customizable one-touch smart programs, while the Ninja offers 7 versatile cooking programs. It's a tie in this category. The Ninja AF161's Max Crisp technology delivers 450 degrees of superheated air cooking foods up to 30% faster for hotter, crispier results than the Instant Vortex 4-in-1's Even Crisp technology. Ninja wins this category. The Ninja AF161's 5.5 quarts, ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is perfect for 1 to 2 servings. The Ninja AF161 wins this category for those with larger families or meal prepping. Both the Ninja AF161 and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 offer easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays. It's a tie in this category. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 uses up to 60% less energy than traditional electric ovens and air fryers, while the Ninja AF161 doesn't mention energy efficiency. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 wins this category. Both the Ninja AF161 and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 have built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off. It's a tie in this category. The Ninja AF161 costs $149 United States dollars, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 costs $39 United States dollars. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is a more affordable option for those on a budget, but the Ninja AF161 has more functionality and capacity. This category is subjective to individual preferences. That's all for our comparison between the Ninja AF161 and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. Both have their advantages depending on individual needs, but we hope this video helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.